Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 11. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning enter App Drawer, or if you don't have it enabled, search for this icon on the screen. Thanks to App Drawer, you've got access to your recent files, images, videos, documents, audio, apps, and archives. Also, you can go to your internal storage, My Drive, Network Neighborhood, Recently Deleted, Downloads, and Recorder. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.